I agree that the children under 15 should not to go outside because they can get sick quickly and because of the cause of the COVID-19 pandemic. So I don't agree that they go out and go anywhere. I agree with what government did that the minors were not allowed to be released during those times because they would get sick more quickly and because of the hospitals were full during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. And the government made right decisions because the disease decreased when they decrease. The people who were out that time, and it's also right that the children should have a vaccine first so that they have a extra protection in their bodies and to ease the lockdowns in some areas in our country during the pandemic. For me, all the decisions made by the government are right. That's all. Thank you.